as part of the installation process for MailChimp for Salesforce, what you want to do is, a real benefit is being able to look at the contact record and the detail and the lead record to understand kind of what information is happening within MailChimp. So by creating that integration is a good thing, but what you have to do is to change the layouts for the contact and lead record. So this is just a quick review of how to change layouts. If you haven't done this before, what you have to do is to go to Setup, and within Setup, you go to the Object Manager, and then from the Object Manager, if you type Contact, what you're able to do is to select Contact. At that point, you have page layouts. You'll probably have lots of these page layouts, and again, it's worth understanding because page layouts are a significant asset, and it depends on how you're assigning them by profiles. But for this one, I'm going to go into this contact layout, and what I'm going to do, you're presented actually here. What you want to do is to go down to Visual Force Pages, and what the MailChimp instructions say to do is to drag membership contact down to details. I think it's better and recommend bringing in a new section. It says new section, and what you want to do is to change that to MailChimp, just so you can understand what it's about. It's a 2 sections fine, and you say okay. You create that, and what you've got then is MailChimp as a section, and to that you can drag the membership contact details here, and then click Save, and that's all you need to do for the contact. What we want to do then is to go back to the Object Manager, type in lead. We then go in on lead, and again, looking at page layouts, there is a lead layout that we want to edit. We can take a look at that. Same game, we can create a section, but what we're going to be doing this time is dragging in the membership lead field. And again, just remember, you have to get to these. You have to go down to the Visual Force Pages section. But definitely learn about layouts. Very powerful feature. And now we can go back and talk about synchronization and actually building out some queries to make all this work. Thanks.